Dad.
Okay.
Girl game.
Oh, is that where you make those cupcake things?
Bop, bop, bop.
James, hush.
Bop. Beep, 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 bop.
Almost got it.
Beep, bop. Beep, beep,
James,
bop.
hush.
Yes, sir.
You're on the video. I'm trying to.
Ram, 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 ram.
Alright, I'm trying. It's like way zoomed in. Holy cow.
The fish is eating Isaac.
Probably the mosquitoes.
what?
Fish is eating Isaac.
Fish.
Yeah, this fish.
What an imagination you got there, pal. Charlie. Slide out the way, pal. No, Charlie. I think your brother's going for the same jump. He's going the same path.
He didn't even jump.
It's his first time riding, James. Give him a break. I'm not so sure I'm excited about you jumping yet.
Why?
Whoa!
What?
He tried to kick it in second gear with throttle on the dirt. Don't worry about this, buddy. You got it, Charlie?
Can't worry about it right yet.
Isaac,
He
what
looks
are
dead.
not dead, he looks grumpy. Isaac.
He's like, you little mister.
Are you mad?
There he goes, he's got
Not mad or you know it.
stop. Oh yeah. Stop. Stop. Don't tell me he's about to try to kick second over there on the dirt again.
First time I thought he crashed.
Alright. He almost, he saved it.
Where are you going to ride?